In this video, we will go over the task added workflow trigger. This trigger is activated when a task is created in your system, and this can also be customized if a task was added for a specific user. You can trigger the workflow that way as well. So to get started, we're going to click on Add New Workflow Trigger, and we're going to type in task. You'll see task added. So here you can keep this just how it is and save the trigger. This will trigger the workflow anytime a task is added. But if you'd like to further customize this, you can select Add Filters. And then from this drop down here, you can select Assigned User. And then here you can select the team member for this workflow trigger. And then once you have that saved, you can click on Save Trigger. You'll see your workflow trigger added to your workflow, and then make sure you click on the blue Save button in the top right corner to save your workflow as well.